What are the advantages and dangers of a sauna? Saunas have been utilized for a large number of years and are as yet famous today. A sauna can help individuals to loosen up and unwind, and it might have other health attributes. Perspiring has for some time been utilized as a treatment. The Mayans utilized perspiration houses 3,000 years prior, as indicated by Princeton medical publications. In Finland, saunas have been utilized for a huge number of years, and 1 out of 3 Finns despite everything use them. In America, there are believed to be over 1 million saunas. So what exactly is a sauna? Here are a few facts. Any individual who is pregnant or who has a cardiovascular issue should look for clinical exhortation before utilizing a sauna. Devouring alcohol previously or during a sauna can be risky. It might give advantages to cardiovascular health that take after those got from working out. A sauna is a room wherein individuals expect to relax in dry warmth. A sauna is normally a room warmed to between 70 to 100 degrees Celsius or 158 to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Conventional Finnish saunas for the most part utilize dry heat, with a relative humidity that is frequently somewhere in the range of 10 and 20%. In other sauna types, the dampness is higher. Turkish-style saunas, for instance, include a more prominent degree of humidity. A sauna use can raise the skin temperature to around 40 degrees Celsius or 104 degrees Fahrenheit. As the skin temperature rises, overwhelming sweating additionally happens. The heart rate increases as the body endeavors to keep cool. It isn't phenomenal to lose about 16 ounces of sweat while spending a brief time frame in a sauna. Classes of saunas. There are a few sorts of saunas, in light of how the room is warmed. These include steam room. These are unique in relation to saunas. Rather than dry heat, a steam room includes moist heat and high humidity. Infrared room. Far infrared saunas are unique in relation to wood-consuming and electrically warmed saunas. Exceptional lights utilize light waves to warm an individual's body, not the whole room. Temperatures are ordinarily lower than different saunas, yet the individual perspires along these lines. Normally, infrared saunas are around 60 degrees Celsius. Electrically heated, like wood-consuming saunas, electrically warm saunas have high temperatures and low moistness. An electrical radiator, connected to the floor, warms the sauna room. Wood burning. Wood is utilized to warm the sauna rocks and sauna room. Wood-burning saunas are typically low in moistness and high in temperature. What exactly do saunas do? The advanced sauna is a basic unpainted live with wooden dividers and seats. A stone-filled electric warmer keeps the temperature at around 90 degrees at floor level and lifts it to around 185 degrees at the top. As opposed to Turkish baths, Finnish saunas are dry. Dampness levels are only 10 to 20%. Water depletes through the floor to keep things dry. In a decent sauna, a proficient ventilation framework trades the air 3 to multiple times 60 minutes. What are the health contributions of saunas? The dry heat significantly affects the body. Sweat starts very quickly. The normal individual will lose 16 ounces of sweat during a concise sauna. Be that as it may, it dissipates so rapidly in the dry air that an individual may not understand the amount he is sweating. Skin temperature takes off to around 104 degrees in no time, yet inward internal heat level ascends all the more gradually. It normally remains underneath 100 degrees. Changes in body temperature are straightforward, however the heart's reactions to warm are increasingly significant. The beat rate hops by 30% or more. Subsequently, the heart almost copies the measure of blood it siphons every moment. The greater part of the additional blood stream is coordinated to the skin. Truth be told, the course really coordinates blood away from the inward organs. Pulse may rise or fall. These progressions resolve rapidly after an individual chills off. Albeit a sauna may enable you to unwind, your heart is trying sincerely while you sit on your seat. Be that as it may, is this actually protected? Furthermore, are saunas actually bravo? A significant part of the data about sauna well-being originates from Finland. A 16-month experiment of 1,631 myocardial infarctions in Helsinki found that simply 1.8% created inside 3 hours of taking a sauna. In another examination of every one of the 6,175 unexpected fatalities that happened in 1 year, just 1.7% happened inside 24 hours of taking a sauna, and a large number of those were identified with alcohol. In Finland, taking saunas is a national tradition. Anyway, do these outcomes apply to individuals in different pieces of the world who once in a while use saunas? Canadian analysts explored sauna security in 16 patients with all-around archived heart ailment. They thought about the impacts of a 15-minute sauna with a standard treadmill stress test. None of the patients created ECG changes, irregular heart rhythms or chest torment, with either kind of stress. Heart checks showed hindered blood stream to the heart muscles of most patients, yet the sauna-instigated changes were milder than the exercise-initiated variations from the norm. Saunas seem all right for patients with stable coronary corridor malady. A little discovery from Japan proposed that 14 days of everyday saunas may even improve vascular capacity in patients with somewhat harmed hearts that can't siphon blood typically, which is steady cardiovascular breakdown. All things considered, heart patients should check with their primary care physicians before utilizing saunas. Individuals who can perform moderate exercise, for example, climbing 3 or 4 stairways or walking for 30 minutes ceaselessly, will probably get an all right. In any case, patients with inadequately controlled, temperamental angina, heart valve ailment or propelled cardiovascular breakdown, bad blood pressure, and anomalous heart rhythms, will be encouraged to remain cool. Elective health attributes of saunas. In spite of the fact that saunas influence numerous pieces of the body, most changes are brief and mellow. For instance, raised scrotal temperatures lessen sperm creation, yet there is no proof that customary saunas hinder richness. The dry air doesn't hurt the lungs or skin. Truth be told, a few patients with psoriasis, an incessant skin infection, report help from tingling. Furthermore, asthmatics may encounter less wheezing. All things considered, saunas seem all right for the body, yet there is little proof that they have health benefits well beyond unwinding and a sentiment of prosperity. Notwithstanding how a sauna is warmed, or the dampness level, the consequences for the body are comparative. At the point when an individual sits in a sauna, their heart rate increments and blood vessels enlarge. This expands flow, along these lines to low to direct physical activity relying upon the span of sauna use. Pulse may increment to 100 to 150 beats per minute while utilizing a sauna. This may bring some health contributions. Would saunas be able to decrease the effects of Alzheimer's? In 2017, scientists from Finland distributed discoveries of a 20-year study that connected sauna use with a lower danger of Alzheimer's disease and dementia. The experiment included 2,315 solid men matured from 42 to 60 years. The individuals who utilized a sauna 2 to 3 times each week were 22% less inclined to get dementia and 20% more averse to get Alzheimer's than the individuals who didn't utilize a sauna. The individuals who utilized a sauna 4 to 7 times each week were 66% less inclined to get dementia and 65% more averse to get Alzheimer's than the individuals who utilized a sauna once every week. Be that as it may, the outcomes don't demonstrate that a sauna causes the decrease in chance. It might be that individuals with dementia don't utilize a sauna. More research is expected to affirm these discoveries. Shouldn't something be said about asthma? People with asthma may discover help from certain side effects because of utilizing a sauna. A sauna may help lessen pressure, extricate mucus, and open aviation routes. Step-by-step instructions to be safe in a hot tub. Hot tub temperatures normal somewhere in the range of 100 and 104 degrees Fahrenheit. On the off chance that saunas are safe, hot tubs ought to be, as well. A discovery of 15 men with stable coronary conduit infection indicated that 15 minutes in a hot tub created less circulatory worry than 15 minutes on an exercise bike. What's more, an experiment of 21 individuals with hypertension found that while sitting in a hot tub brought down the blood pressure, it never moved toward hazardous levels. To appreciate a hot tub securely, follow indistinguishable rules from for saunas. Also, be certain the bath is perfect and very much chlorinated to keep away from folliculitis, a skin disease that can result from ineffectively kept up hot tubs. The most effective method to safely use a sauna. A couple of straightforward precautionary measures to have sauna security are significant for healthy individuals and heart patients the same. Try not to take a sauna when you are sick, and in the event that you feel unwell during your sauna, head for the entryway. A cool head is the most ideal approach to keep your hot sauna sheltered and charming. Drink 2 to 4 glasses of cold water after every sauna. Most importantly, tune into your body. Chill off bit by bit a while later. Albeit a few societies advocate a dive into cold water, it produces extensive circulatory pressure and ought to be maintained a strategic distance from. Try not to try too hard. 15 to 20 minutes of a sauna is a sensible time limit for the vast majority. Stay away from alcohol previously or after your sauna. Skin issues. A dry sauna dries the skin during use. A few people with psoriasis may find that their indications lessen while utilizing a sauna, yet those with atopic dermatitis may find that it declines. Cardiovascular health benefits. The decrease in stress levels when utilizing a sauna might be connected to a lower danger of cardiovascular occasions. One experiment, led in Finland, followed 2,315 men ages 42 to 60 through the span of 20 years. Proof proposed that individuals who utilize a sauna may have a lower danger of kicking the bucket from cardiovascular malady. Of the members in the experiment, a sum of 878 kicked the bucket from unexpected heart demise, coronary corridor infection, or cardiovascular disease. Members were classified by how regularly they utilized a sauna, including once per week, a few times each week, and 4 to 7 times each week. In the wake of changing for cardiovascular hazard factors, expanded sauna utilize was connected with a decreased danger of deadly cardiovascular-related diseases. Members who utilized the sauna a few times each week were 22% more averse to encounter unexpected heart demise than the individuals who just utilized it once every week. The individuals who utilized a sauna 4 to 7 times each week were 63% more averse to encounter unexpected heart demise and 50% more averse to kick the bucket from cardiovascular disease than the individuals who just utilized a sauna once per week. More experiments are expected to see whether there is an unequivocal connection between sauna use and a lessening in fatalities from heart ailment. Sauna use may likewise be related with upgraded heart capacity and lower blood pressure. While research might be promising, sauna use ought not supplant a workout program to keep the heart sound. There is more proof to help the advantages of standard exercise. Diminished amounts of stress. As the heat in a sauna improves flow, it might likewise advance relaxation. This can improve sentiments of health. At last we have alleviation of pain. Expanded course may help diminish muscle irritation, improve ligament development, and straightforwardness joint inflammation torment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips, information, and advice from Wellness World.